Welcome to Bootstrap Tax. Today in this video I will show you how to create a e-commerce store for your restaurant and QR code menu for the restaurant to go contactless menu. This is the dashboard of ZeroChat. In the left panel you will see e-commerce store. Click on that e-commerce store and then create a store for your restaurant. Click on the create store, select your page, best kitchen. This is the restaurant name and I will give the restaurant store name. So this is the store name, email address, country, state, city, street address of the restaurant and postal code and local. You can select the language of your store. I will select English. You can select your local language. Logo, you can upload your restaurant logo and favicon for your restaurant. You can also give Facebook Pixel ID and Google Analytics ID to keep and track of your store. Terms of service, you can give your terms of service. This is the terms of service. Refund policy, I'll say no refund. You can add your own refund policy and create the store. Store has been created successfully. So now the store has been created. Now I will go to the categories to create some categories for the restaurant. Click on the add category. I'll say burger. Save. I'll create another category, pizza, another category. So category has been created. Now I'll create attributes. I'll create some attributes, add attributes. I'll give attribute name, say burger, size, and the attribute value small, comma separated, medium, comma separated, large. So these three are burger size attribute. You can select multi-select, optional. These attribute cannot be multi-select or optional because they can select only one size for a burger and it's not optional. Save. I'll create another attribute, burger, toppings, attribute value, say honey, mustard, comma separate attribute, salsa, comma, and fried onion. So these are the burger toppings attribute. It should be multi-select and optional. They can select more than one toppings with the burger and it's optional. Save. I'll create another for pizza. I'll call pizza size. Attribute value, I'll give 8 inch, 10 inch and 12 inch. Put a comma and it will be created. It's not multi-select and optional. Save. Attribute, say pizza, toppings, I'll give some pizza toppings. Comma. So these are the pizza toppings. It can be multi-select and optional. They can select more than one pizza toppings. You can add more toppings if you want. For the attribute values, save. The attributes are created. Now I'll go to the product. To create a product, add product, click on the add product, select a category. For burger attribute, I'll select burger size and burger toppings. Product name, I'll say beef burger. Original price, I'll put 3 and sale price will be 2. Product description, you can give your own product description. I'll just write some sample text. This is the product description, and you can create some purchase notes and thumbnail for the product. So this is a burger. I'll give beef burger, and you can also select some feature image. So upload it, featured image. You can select or upload more than one featured image. See these options: item stock, display stock, prevent purchase if out of stock. I will not go to these options for the restaurant. And the status will be online. Taxable, if it is taxable, put yes. If not, then no. I'll say no for the taxable. Save. The product is created. I'll create another product under the same category, burger. I'll give the burger attributes, burger size and burger toppings. Product name, say chicken burger. Original price, I'll not give a discount, so original price and sale price will be the same. Product description same, you can give a description and note. Thumbnail, chicken pizza, this is the thumbnail and featured image, and not taxable. Save. I'll create another under the category of pizza. I'll give attribute pizza size, product name Italian pizza, original price $8, product description and purchase note. Upload the thumbnail, and featured image. I'll upload to not taxable. Save. So these are my products. Now I'll go to the delivery option. You can create a delivery points, add points, point name, also counter, point details, best kitchen, counter. Save. I'll create another point. We'll give a name table. So this will be the delivery point. You can add more tables. Then there is another option called coupons. You can give a coupon code for the products to your customer. I will show you how to create a coupon. Add coupon, For the products beef burger, I'll say that Italian pizza. For Italian pizza, I'll create a coupon. Coupon type, there is coupon type percent, fixed card and fixed product. If it is percent, then the coupon amount will be percent amount. Let's say 5%. And if it is fixed card, then the coupon will be applied to the fixed card. I'll go for the percent, give 5% and coupon code. I'll create a coupon code. So this will be the coupon code, and this is the amount of the percentage. Expiry date, you can create a expiry date for the coupon and maximum use limit. So this means that you will give on maximum 100 coupons. After that the coupon will not work. Save. So the coupon is created. You can see your orders and copy the URL for your store. You can also visit the store. Order status notification. Go to the order status notification. You can send notification to the messenger of the customer about their order. Here the system has created the notifications by default. You can edit the notification message, or you can keep them by as the default. This is the messenger, order approved. Also you can send the notification to the SMS or email. For now I'll go to the messenger only. Save it. Now I'll show how the QR code is going to work. Click on the QR menu. You will see two QR code is created for your restaurant. One is for messenger QR code and other one is outside of the messenger. So this is the QR code. You can download the QR code and keep it on the table or in anywhere in your restaurant, so that customers can scan through this QR code and get to your store to order for food. So they can go contactless menu. So this is how the QR code will work. And also you can use this store with your Facebook page messengers bot. I'll show you how to create your menu with the messenger bot, to work with the messenger bot. I'll go to the messenger bot, go to the bot settings. I'll create a action button with get started template. I'll create a get started template. Select reply type. I'll select text with buttons and the message. Thank you for your interest on our restaurant. Please click on the below button to get started. Give a name for the button and button type. Keep it web view full. We have several options, but keep it web view full, and then you will have to give the web URL. Where you will find the web URL? Go to the e-commerce store. This is the store. Copy URL. So this is the store page. Copy the URL and paste it here. Update. And then bot reply settings, get started settings, and put it enable and save it. So now if you go to the messenger of your page and check it out, when customer will come to your messenger, they will see a get started button. I'll show you from the beginning. This is how it will look. Get started. When they will click on the get started, the messenger bot will send a message with a button. Thank you for your interest on our restaurant. Please click on the below button to get started. Food menu, click on this. See, the your restaurant page has come up. Now from here they can select and give order. Burger size small, burger toppings. See, this is multi select. They can select all of them or any one of it, and then add to cart. Home, I'll select pizza. So you can give the toppings with the pizza. That is the attribute of your product. And then go to cart and proceed checkout. Delivery option, we'll keep to the delivery option. Manage address, add address, proceed to checkout. I'll select cash on delivery. And see, this is pending. You can check the status of your order from the e-commerce store orders. See, this is the order and you can change the status. I'll change the status from pending to approved, and you can also add a additional note and submit. Order status updated. Your customer will get a notification. Hello Kamrul, order 23 has been updated to approved. They can check the order. The status is approved. And then when the product is delivered or shipped, you can change the status and your customer will get a notification. So this is how you will create your store for your restaurant. Now I will show you the checkout settings. Click on the checkout settings. You can select the payment integration, PayPal email, PayPal sandbox mode, and you can also add Stripe secret key, Stripe publishable key for the Stripe account, mobile API code. You can use Razorpay, you can use Paystack, or also you can give a manual payment instruction, and then select the checkout payment option. Yes. Stripe checkout, no. Razorpay, no. I'll give cash on delivery and PayPal checkouts for now. You can add tax and delivery charges. If there is any tax, then put a tax and delivery charge. Say $5 for delivery charge. Here we have option address preference, store pickup. If you enable this store pickup, then they can store it from pick up it from the store. Save. Now I'll check. Get started. This is how your customer will see your restaurant menu. Choose options, select toppings and add to cart. Cart. See store pickup. They can select their table, or if they want to deliver, then they can go for the delivery option to this address, and on the store pickup they can select the counter or the table, proceed checkout, cash on delivery, or pay with PayPal. Cash on delivery, see the message, your order has been placed successfully and is now being reviewed. Now you can check your orders from the orders, and you can see the status. You can change the status to approved. You can give a note, submit. So this is how you will create your store for your restaurant and create the QR menu code, and also you can use it with your Facebook Messenger bot. This is how the QR code will help to go contactless menu. Thank you for watching the video.